Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. After that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now hit Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection. If the switcher is gray, that means that autocorrection is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the gray switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!